Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix no service on your iPhone, iPad, iOS 16. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, what you have to do is just simply close this page from here, and then let me tell you that you have to open settings and then tap on mobile data and then tap on mobile data option, and from here you have to turn the toggle on for this, and after that check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is still not fixed, then what you have to do is just simply open settings again, and then what you have to do is just simply turn the toggle on for airplane mode, and after a minute you have to turn it off and then check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is still not fixed, then what you have to do is just simply open settings, and from here tap on mobile data, then tap on mobile data option, then tap on voice and data, and from here you have to make sure that this toggle is on. So you have to on this toggle and then check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem still exists there, then what you have to do is just simply check network provider if there is network update. For that, what you have to do is just simply open settings and then tap on general, then tap on about, and from here check if any update is available here, then you have to update this one and then check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem still exists there, then what you have to do is just simply reset the network setting, tap on settings, tap on general, and from here you have to tap on transfer reset iPhone and then tap on reset, and from here you have to tap on reset network setting, give your passcode, and then tap on reset network setting. This will delete all network setting, returning them to factory default. And after doing this, check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem still exists there, then what you have to do is just simply update your device. So for checking update, what you have to do is just simply open settings, then scroll it down, tap on general, tap on software update. If any update available here, then you have to update this one and check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem still exists there, then what you have to do is just simply contact your network provider, verify that your account is verified, check your device has not been locked from receiver mobile data service, and after doing all these things, I'll guarantee you your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video was helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.